guys, today we have a patient here who's got fat pads under the eyes and also loose skin. So we're doing a combination radiofrequency microneedling, RF microneedling. I'm going at 3 different levels to shrink her fat pads with the RF microneedling device. So RF microneedling delivers heat with needles, and that's going to shrink the fat. I'm actually doing it on our upper eyelids also because she has wrinkles in the upper eyelids and I want the maximum contraction. Next, I'm going to follow that with CO2 laser resurfacing. And for those of you who follow me, you know my favorite procedure for skin tightening and wrinkle reduction is the CO2 laser because it is the hottest laser around. So here we're using the fractional handpiece of the CO2 laser. You can see these array of ablative dots that the laser places deep in your skin, and that's great for wrinkle reduction and collagen remodeling. We placed shields inside the eye. These are stainless metal shields that protects the eye from the laser, and in a methodical manner I'm using the fractional handpiece of the CO2 laser for skin tightening and wrinkle reduction. We can treat both the upper eyelids and the lower eyelids and really go on top of the eyelid and get close to the lid margin without any issues because we have the shields placed. The patient is already numb with numbing injections. This is followed by the 2mm beam of the CO2 laser. Here I'm following the vermilion border because this gives you a lip lift without fillers. I'm actually turning the border up by using the 2mm beam of the CO2 laser, which creates intense heat to cause the lip area to contract. I'm also using the 2mm beam to methodically cause wrinkle reduction and skin contraction. And what's amazing about this beam is, for those of you who follow me, you see the beam is so hot that right in front of your eyes the skin contracts, and that's because our skin is an elastic organ and it responds beautifully to intense heat. You can see the eyelashes are turning backwards because it's from the contraction. Again, notice the 2mm beam. We're in a methodical manner placing the 2mm beam in an arced manner around the eyes. And here, look at this amazing skin contraction as we do it. This can give you results as good as surgical eye lifts. You can see the eyelashes turn. And here we're doing the upper eyelid. Again, pay close attention as the 2mm beam going in. You could see the skin contract right in front of your eyes. There's no other laser that can deliver this type of contraction akin to surgical eye lift-like results. And again, watch close to the eyelashes. You're going to see the eyelashes turn upwards as the skin contracts. Right there, pretty neat. So here we're doing the other upper eyelid. So in this patient, we're going to do RF microneedling for fat reduction, for fat pad reduction, plus CO2 laser resurfacing for maximal skin contraction. Can't wait till I share her before and after with you guys because it's going to be an absolute home run. CO2 laser for upper and lower eyelids and upper lip.